In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the app theme in ClickUp, making your workspace visually appealing and personalized to your preferences. Let's dive in and transform your ClickUp interface to suit your style effortlessly. First, let's open ClickUp on your device. You can either launch the app or navigate to the ClickUp website and log into your account. This is your command center for project management, so make sure you're on the main dashboard where you can easily access your settings. Next, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. This small yet essential icon is key to unlocking further customization options, so go ahead and click on it. Doing so will drop down a menu with a variety of settings and preferences for your account. Now, from the drop-down menu, locate and click on the Themes section. This is where the visual magic happens, allowing you to tailor the appearance of your ClickUp interface. Themes are not only about aesthetics, they can also enhance your productivity by providing an environment that suits your working style. Once you're in the Themes section, you'll notice an option that says Appearance. Click on it to proceed further. This section is essential as it encompasses all the different theme options available for you to choose from. It's a way to change the mood of your workspace, making it more inviting and comfortable for your workflow. The final step is the most fun part. Choosing your theme. Scroll through the available themes and select the one that catches your eye. Whether you prefer a light theme to keep things bright and airy or a dark theme for a more modern focused vibe, ClickUp provides a variety of options to suit different tastes. Just click on your chosen theme and it will be automatically applied, refreshing your screen to reflect the new look. And there you have it. Changing the theme in ClickUp is as simple as a few clicks, letting you personalize your workspace to align with both your functional and aesthetic needs. Remember, you can return to these settings anytime you want to switch up your theme for a fresh look. Personalizing your workspace can make a significant difference in how you interact with your tasks, so don't hesitate to explore different themes until you find the one that feels just right. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to get the most out of ClickUp. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.